In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So it's a very quick process, everybody. Here's how to do it. First things first, head over to these three vertical dots here, and then we're going to open the account center. After opening the account center, we're going to go ahead and open sharing across profiles. Go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to go ahead and share from, of course, our Instagram. So I'm just going to tap the Instagram here. And yeah, just go ahead and confirm this one, sharing from Instagram to your Facebook. So down below, you will be able to see here, automatically share. So I have everything here disabled. But if you want to share your story automatically, just go ahead and toggle this on. So this is going to refer to your Instagram story. It will be shared your Instagram story to your Facebook automatically. The same way if you're going to do it for post and then for reels. Now, yeah, basically for the story, that is the only thing that you are going to do. From this point forward, you can then go ahead and start uploading your Instagram story, and it will automatically be uploaded to your Facebook story as well. And congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.